Okay, question 4. Question 4 is a lovely short question. A person takes their dog for a walk. The graph shows how the distance from their home changes with time. Which part of the graph, A, B, C, or D, shows them walking the fastest? We've discussed this in question 2, I think it was, or it might have been question 3. On a distance time graph, the steeper the line, the faster the object is traveling. So C, is totally flat, so we've got a stationary object. A, we've got a gradient that looks like that. And B, we've got a much steeper gradient. The tricky thing is that B and D, they're both traveling. D, they're just going back to the start. So is the gradient of B different to the gradient of D? That's the thing you have to work out. But we can probably see if I just move this across. And again, you can hold your ruler against things. If you have to flip that round, I can't think of a good way of doing that. You probably can on a ruler, but you can see that line there, the B line, is steeper than the D line. So B is our answer, and the reason why is the gradient of B is the steepest. During the walk, both the speed and the velocity of the person and the dog change. How is velocity different from speed? Well, velocity is a vector, whereas speed is scalar. Vectors have a magnitude and a direction, whereas the scalar quantities just have magnitude, so just a number. So we would say velocity is a vector, so it has a direction. Speed is scalar, so has no direction. Okay, and that is the end of question 4.